Hello, it's Bob here in the Dean's office in the College of Engineering at the University of South Florida on day 30 of Operation Engineering. How are you doing? And I hope this message finds you and your loved ones, your family and your friends healthy and safe. It's really hard to believe that it's been 6 weeks since we started remote delivery instruction, and even a little longer since the college went to remote operations. So I'm thinking about the quote for today and something that would talk about what it would be like to return to some sense of normalcy. I decided that was a bit too serious. And so as we head into the weekend, let's have a funny quote. This quote was submitted by Becky Puskas. If you think dogs can't count, try putting 3 dog biscuits in your pocket and then give only 2 of them. Boy, ain't that the truth. Nice photo Becky also submitted of her pet. So if you have some favorite quotes, whether they're serious or funny, doesn't matter, just send them in and we'll use them. So you probably are noticing that I'm here again in the bridge of the Enterprise. And let me say that this is the Star Trek Enterprise. Yesterday, I made the mistake of referring to it as Star Wars, and you let me hear about that. So sorry about that. But it does remind me of a concert I went to some years ago with Paul McCartney, and he sat down at the piano and started playing in the wrong key. And he stopped and said, now you know this is live. And so I'm going to use the same excuse here. Now you know this is live. I don't use scripts. And occasionally I look at my email that I'm going to send out if there's something in particular I want to highlight. But in any event, thanks for letting me know. And next week, we're going to change the theme a little bit. I got some suggestions from some of you on some background themes, and so we'll shift gears next week. Remember, it's the end of the week, so look online for the photo montage of all the photos that we've had during the week. And we did get one new hometown submitted, New York, actually Manhattan. So the number of views of the virtual hometown map is now over 900. So a lot of you are looking at the hometown map, but you're not sending in your hometowns. So let's try to do that. Take a moment and send that in. There's 2 things I wanted to talk to you about today. First of all, Dr. Serena Argus has submitted a link that describes one of her projects in Ghana that's going to be utilized on NSF STEM for as a video showcase. So the link is there. Please go take a look at it. And when you take a look at it, vote for their video and vote often. Do you know a USF hero? USF would like to recognize these USF heroes. Who are these folks? These are the ones, faculty, students, and staff, who have really stepped up, doing research, organizing food drives, raising money, helping first-line responders, and things like that. So at President Corral's request, we're asking each of you to provide examples of USF heroes for inclusion and campaign. So take a look in the email that I'm sending out today for some more details, but we'll need you to submit your nominations for heroes to Janet Gillis by Friday, May the 8th. So let me say that I want to thank you for all that you do for our students and for their student success, all you do for each other. Please continue to support this project. Send in your ideas, send in your photos. We haven't received any art or music for poetry in quite a while. So, if you've got something that you'd like to share, please consider doing that. Next week, we'll start to give you some more insight into how the Face Shield project is going, how the induction into the ceremony, into the profession is going, how graduation is panning out, and a few other interesting items that you might find useful as we head into the summer and summer school. So, as always, stay safe, be well, and we'll talk again.